So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given that Walter burns 500 calories daily from cardio. So Walter goes to the gym and he does cardio every day and he burns 500 calories from that. But on some days, apart from the cardio, he also does weight training and he burns an additional of 600 calories. So on some days, he burns a total of 1100 calories. So over a 240-day period, he burns an average of 850 calories from both the activities. So we have to tell how many days did Walter engage in only cardio and how many days did he engage in both the activities. So we have to tell this, right? So one thing is clear that, for example, on X days, Walter only does cardio, right? So he loses how many? 500 calories. So on X amount of days, Walter only does cardio, so he loses 500 calories, right? And we also know he did a total of 240 days workout. So that means, so 240 minus X days, 240 minus X days, he did cardio as well as weight training. So on the remaining days, he burns additional 600. So he's burning 500, but additional, he burns 600. So total he burns how many? 1100 calories on some few days. So that means on the remaining 240 minus X days, he burns how many? 1100 calories. I hope this should be pretty chill. We also know that over the 240-day period, he has burnt a total of 850 calories, right? So that means, so on one day he burns 500 calories. So in X days, he'll burn a total of 500 into X, right? Because on this day, he's burning 500 calories. So if he does this activity for X days, so how many calories will he burn in total? 500 times X. So 500 times X, right? Plus on few other days, he does burn 1100 calories. So for example, he does this for 240 minus X days. So total how many calories will he burn? He will burn 240 minus X into 1100. I hope this should be pretty chill. Upon what are the total number of days? The total number of days he's burning it is for 240, right? So this will be 240 because on the numerator side the total sum comes, right? So the total amount of calories he's burning, that is, and on the denominator side the total number comes, so total number of days, that is 240. So this will give us the average calories he's burning, right? So what is the average? The average is given out to be 850. So now you can simply solve this question and I think you'll be able to find the answer. So if you want me to solve, so this becomes 500x plus 240 into 1100 minus 1100x is equals to 240 into 850, right? So 500 minus 1100, this is minus 600, so it will go that side. So this will become 240 into 1100, this minus 240 into 850 is equals to 1100 minus 500, 600 x, right? So 600x is how much? 240 into 1100 minus 850, 250, right? So 0 0 0 0 6 4s are, so that means x is equals to 100. So what is x? X is the amount, the number of days he only does the cardio. So on out of 240 days, 100 days Walter only does cardio and burns 500 calories, and for the remaining 140 days, because total is 240, So 240 minus 100 is 140. So for the remaining 140 days, he burns 1100 calories by doing cardio as well as weight training. I hope this should be pretty chill. So this comes out to be 100 days and this comes out to be 140 days. I hope this is absolutely clear.